Right guys, so second try at doing the bonnet risers. We've figured it out. We've got Luke here fixing the job we did the other day. Melon. Right, so I've been to Tool Station and bought these, which I've already done once, so I can show you. We'll put 4 washers and then that, and then we're going to get another bolt once this bracket is on, and we're going to put it back through there, so hopefully it'll work. Alright, so guys, I had a problem with that side, one of the bolts stripped, but I finally got it on, so I'm going to record this side for you. So let's do this one. So on either side you've literally got 4 washers followed by one of these connector bits, which is going to have another bolt going through it, like, where is it? Like that side there. Poor fitment, but once it's all on we'll probably be better fitment and we can get it all fitted. Big reveal.
That's just a washer for it. Very risen.
That's stupid, isn't it?
Stupid thing.
That's too high, isn't it? Is it too high? Yeah.
I don't know how much raise people get out of the kits.
That's too much, isn't it?
I'm not thinking on that price terrible too.
Alright guys, so we're going to edit it because it was way too high. So we're going to take 2 washers off either side like I've done with this. So there used to be 4 on here before there, now there's only 2. So we're going to take 2 off all 4 and then see if that does it. Right, so we took the 2 washers off each 4, and to be honest it looks a bit better. It looks better than it did because today I also fitted my spoiler risers, which the video for that will be going up as well. So yeah, I think it looks a lot better now I've got that and that, because then when you look at it from this distance it doesn't look that stupid. But yeah, thank you very much for watching guys. Make sure you watch the spoiler riser one as well, which is going up once I've edited it, but I did them today so I'll be editing that video soon. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.